Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by fixing posture and creating frames. Drop your hips slightly and keep weight back so you stay light on your feet. This prevents easy level changes. Secure inside grips, 2-on-1 or collar tie, because they limit opponent angles and slow shots. Once done, hold head position to blunt momentum and use light threats to their legs so they hesitate. This makes your next moves higher percentage and buys time to react without overcommitting. When they shoot, sprawl immediately. Drop hips and drive chest to their back to kill forward momentum. This prevents clean single or double finishes. If they reach through, apply a whizzer and perform a hip heist to redirect their force laterally. This creates an angle for hand control. Once engaged, turn into their hips and swim to your knees rather than bailing. Push shrimp to re-establish distance and posture, then reset grips so you can dictate whether to stand or counter. To finish, prioritize underhooks or take the back. Underhooks stop their setups and back control ends exchanges. Stand smartly, circle away from their drive side, and hand fight to break control before you attempt your own takedown because timing beats strength. If things go wrong and you're flattened, protect your neck first, bridge to create space, then use your hands to re-establish grips and posture. This troubleshooting sequence prevents turnovers and lets you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.